Hello and welcome to another set and adventure with me, Andy, and Summer catching fish supposedly. And Bella's with us today. We've got the whole crew with us. We found a base camp for the night. I'm going to quickly have a look at the top, see what we can see. It's a beautiful, beautiful day here in the UK. It's been 18, 19-ish degrees. It's still very, very warm. And this is our surroundings. Don't mind that caution sign, it's long gone. But this is our hotspot for the night. And we're going to get our tent up. And we've got some food. I've got some noodles, we'll get onto that later on. Let's get into where we're going today. We're going to put the tent right here. We have camped in here before, but not on video. It was just me and my daughter came out camping, basically just had a nice time. We have actually had a look in this river. And there is a very small fish, they're not minnows, I think the baby trout or something. But yeah, in here, I don't think I'll be able to see it. I'll put you near the river, 1 second. Yeah, there is baby, in fact there is one right there. Baby trout, I think they are in there. Swimming gracefully, like a trout. And Summer's, what the heck are you doing?
I had to wash my hair.
You're washing your hair? What, a trout?
No.
But,
I washed my hair.
but there we go, we have got all our gear, much gear. Thank God it wasn't really that much of a journey. We have got like a little bonfire to have a little fire tonight, just in case some midges happen. Obviously we've got the dog and a massive load of stuff in this bag, which is our camping gear. Got my tent poles here too. I have actually got some new tent pegs because last time I tried to put the tent pegs in here, they buckled like mad because there's a lot of stones, as you can tell from, let's have a look at the ground there. A lot of the river washes all the rocks over here and it's changed a lot, but hopefully we can get the tent pegs in here nicely. We're going to get the tent up now before it gets too dark. The sun is still pretty high in the sky. Quickly blind you to death there. The sun's pretty high in the sky and we're going to get the tent up and running. The dog is wondering, and I guess you guys will be wondering what we've got in this pack. I've got my inflatable bed, inflatable pad there. I've got the drone. I'm going to do some drone shots, which have probably already been done when I come to edit it. These are the pegs that I wanted to show you, 1 second. Yes, these are the pegs. Let's see if I can get a better shot of this because it's a bit bright. These are the pegs that I wanted to show you. Hard grounded pegs from Extreme Auto Leisure. Sounds like we're about to drive on these pegs, but there they are. Let's just get them out and show you. These are what I've bought recently off Amazon. I'm not sponsored or anything. Bought these myself, but just to see if these would go better into this surface because it is very, very solid with stones. Yeah, it wasn't actually that bad to get it in there. Probably typical after I bought these, but they're going to come in handy if we do some more camping expeditions. I don't know what she's doing over there. We've got the dog chilling. But yes, they're the pegs and we're going to be using. Let's see them when they're in action. We'll get the tent put up. Take a watch us like a boss. Just dropped my mic and everything in the sand once. First time, I don't think we got it out last year. Some over there getting sticks and logs. Bella's just chillaxing. But there we go, we've got the tent up and running. Get it aired out a bit. And the main part's up, now we just got to move everything in. Get the sleeping bags in, get the mats in. And champion, I'll get some food on very soon. Don't know what the time is actually. Food time. But yeah, there we go. Let's just, got tripping on all the rocks. Put the tent up. Bella's squeaking at you. But what a beautiful night. Beautiful, beautiful night by the river. Can't wait. What do you reckon, Belle? No, nothing. Yeah, these pegs so far have gone in like a breeze. I do think these pegs so far, we're trying a bit more rocky terrain at some point. I mean, you can't get any more rocky than that. I think I've just seen Rocky Balboa climb out of that rock somewhere. But yeah, these so far are not too bad. We are starting to move stuff in. Hopefully the camera's picking out. There we go. We're moving in right now. Got the mat down. Summer's mat's there. Moving the sleeping bag and things in now. I don't want to keep it open too long. Don't want any biddies getting in. And Bella getting in. There she is, look. Showing her age now. She's having a lot of problems with the walking a little bit far now. Belle, Belle, Belle. And she's, I think the pollen and that's hitting her eyes like it does with me. She's got a bit of hay fever going. I got gunky eyes, so I have to keep cleaning them. Summer's still gathering wood. She's actually got a good supply of wood going on for our little barbecue. It's a little barbecue I've got given a family member, and it's a little barbecue, but we're going to use it as a fire tonight to, if there's any midgies, keep them off us. And I think in sunset, sorry, I might take a wander up that bank with the drone and get some pictures of sunset, because it's still pretty high. It's still got a lot of time left till sundown. I'm going to check when sundown is, actually. I'm not entirely sure when sundown set is normally, not sundown. Sound like a band. Don't know when the sunset is. 8:32. It is now 6:17, so it's getting on now. Like I said, the clocks went forward and things, so less time in bed and that. Sad days. Yeah, so we're going to have a lot more time to do food bits and bobs. We might even have a night walk tonight. Last camping video, we got munched on by midgies. So look at that up there. I might get blinded by the sun a bit, but it is beautiful, beautiful. There's a lot of midges already kicking out. Someone's trying to catch fish again. Don't think she succeeded just now. Look at that. Tent is looking good. We actually found a place to hang the lantern. Got a little latch for the lantern there. That's a really good lantern, by the way. We use that in a lot of power cuts. Speaking of power cuts, we used our jet boil a lot in power cuts. I don't know where it is, I'll show you. A little mini mow, I think it's called. A little jet boil mini mow. We use it a lot in the power cuts, and I'm a bit worried about my gas situation and that's another reason why I did fetch that. And oh my God. No. Seriously? Well, you might have to find like 2 sticks and put them in the ground and put your wellies in them. Is that the only footwear you brought? Not like we need a whole day, like week's worth of footwear to come camping, but oh my God. You've probably caught a trout in them wellies. That's mental. Mental. But yeah, these pegs, pretty decent. Really? Oh my God. So much water. There we go. There is the pegs there. I'll put them in the link in the description if you want to check them out. Pretty decent so far. We'll soon see. I don't think it's going to be windy tonight, so it's not going to real test. That's why I've not really pegged it in like probably solid. I mean, it is pretty solid, don't get me wrong, but I'm not expecting any wind. I mean, it is pretty solid, to be honest, but I'm not expecting any wind tonight, apart from after our noodles. It's not really in the water brilliantly, but it's going to do. I used to put my cans of pop and whichever in the river when I was fishing to keep it cool. So, and it's out the sun in there and in the water, so it keeps the water cool. Why have you got your shoes off? Dear me. But yes, I'm going to carry on. I'm going to put the sleeping bags in the bottom of the bag. And then we're just going to sort our beds out, and then you'll probably join us after we've been cooking. Or about to cook, sorry. Because I'm just going to sit and enjoy it for a little bit. And I'll catch you in a bit. There is actually geese up on that hill there. Look at that, the sun is setting. I might get the drone up in a minute. Towards the golden hour. Let's just have a walk up here, close to where our camp is. I've just missed doing this. I keep repeating it, but it's nicest to be back in nature. I think it does everyone the world of good. So too much hustle and bustle. Hearing the birds tweeting. It's even better when the sun's shining. When it's absolutely lashing down, it's maybe a different story. But look at that. So beautiful up here. Oh, I swing around. Just nothing but fields, rivers, and great company with my daughter, but she's putting her bed down, so I thought I'd check out the river, but that is a stunning, beautiful show. You can see the spider webs in the trees, the sun beaming through the trees there. See what the time is. I think we've still got like an hour, nearly an hour before sunset, and then we might try and cross the river somehow, go up that bank and look at the sunset down there, see what we could see with it, and maybe fly the drone over. Someone's got to be sitting on the most uncomfiest rock in the world. Got Bella chilling at the tent. Didn't we last time have that annoying Sony camera which was wobbly all over the place when I look back at the footage? This is the first time camping with this camera. Debating if to have a brew or not, because I'm gonna be honest, this gas canister sounds pretty empty, which I'm a bit worried about, to be honest. So, right, so let's get the jet ball going. We even just get it set up ready. And I've just realised I don't have a cup, which is kind of annoying. I forgot to fetch a cup. I might have to drink out of this, but I don't know if you're really meant to put hot drinks in that or not. So, yes. Might even, actually you can't do that now. I was going to go up that hill to watch the sunset, but your wellies have got like fish in them. The wellies are just gone. The wellies are gone, I see. Got a nice little lighter thing. I don't know if you're going to see it. It's got a little dragon on it. So I don't know why I'm showing you that. Just thought it'd be interesting. Yes, we might have a night. How are we going to do a nighttime walk now too? You're going to have a trout swimming around in your wellies. You're going to have a pet of goldfish. You come camper and got a pet goldfish. Happy days. So yeah, I'm going to set this up now. I haven't done this for a while. Last time I done this, I had a power cut. Nice. There we go. It's all set up. GG's and all that. Oh, the water's all the way over there, dude. I just hint, drop hints. Didn't work. Sad. But yeah, we put the water in the river. Just to, well, that makes sense. Obviously, there's water in the river, but we put our fresh water in the river to keep cool. Obviously, there's water in the river because that's how they work normally. I mean, we could try and start this fire and use this instead for now. But I don't really want to light it now because that means we're going to have to keep an eye on it all night. Pheasant's been startled. No one's not going to get a rollicking from being down here. But yeah, we are. Well, I guess we are kind of properly wild camping, stealth camping. So anything could happen here. So we have got a bit of a fire going. So there we go. We've got a load of sticks. I might just start the fire now. Leave that because there's gas after all. Great. The midges are starting to nibble. So I thought I'd get a little fire going, hopefully that light's okay. And I'm going to have a brew. I'm going to make a coffee now. Oops. It's not a good sign. We might have to keep an eye on the brews because it's about there now. This is going to be like this, a mouthful of coffee each. So there we go, we've got the coffee up and running. Well, water boiling, and say coffee. But yeah, the sun is definitely getting ready to set now. I kind of want some drone shots before it goes down. But it'd be nice to actually go and watch the sunset maybe with the brew. It'd be quite nice. I just realised, better stop that before it's... Put it back in the tin. Is it me? As these logs smell weird? There we go. It's basically just to keep the flies, well, midges, off us, which it has done actually. They were biting a little bit, and they have settled down a bit more now. Bella's just got her back to us. She's had enough. She wants to go to a bed up in the house. Can you pass my little beaker over there? We actually have brought the whole entire Kenko. We must be planning a long time out here. Brought the whole entire Kenko pot, which is a bit crazy. I don't know why we've done that, to be honest. But here we are. So yeah, we're gonna have to be careful on the water because we need to make dinner yet. Yeah, it's just so peaceful out here. So yeah, they'll spin you around there. Look at that. Sun is starting to go down now. What book you're reading?
Assassination Classroom.
Who?
Assassination Classroom.
Assassination Class? What the hell?
An anime.
Ah. Okay. Look at that. That's lovely coming through the trees there. Yeah, just mean Bella's just not playing ball. Look at, she's got her back to us. Getting the breeze on. I just hope this is enough to cook dinner. If not, I was going to fetch a pan down to cook on the fire there. So we could kind of burden the gas, not burden the gas as much. But me being me, I forgot the little pan. So unfortunately we've got to get the gas, live off the gas. And never mind, as things drop out that pot up there, cushy. I'll join in when we're having a brew. It's black coffee too, which is rank. I don't like black coffee. I need to get some milk for down there, like powdered milk or something. Even though that's a bit rank tea, to be honest with you. Bloody hell. That's bloody boiling, Chuck. But yeah, the jet boil comes with different mouthpieces. One for draining, and one for slurping. The slurping compartment as I need. Which is good because there we go. We're going to sit here and chill out now, listen to the birds hum away, and get blasted in the face by the sun because it's getting really low now. It is like right in between the trees now. So, yeah, cheers. Nom nom. Right, we're officially cooking our dinner now. We've got Mama! Mama cup of noodles. I think there's a bit of queen going on. But yeah, we've got some beef flavoured cup noodles. 2 seasoned sachet. One looks like it's lard. Smells nice, to be honest. Look in there. It isn't in yet. I am boiling it in there right now. The dog is getting her nostrils amongst it. You can tell she's peckish for some "Hey Mama" noodles. So yeah, we're just waiting for it to... Bella, your head is in my vision. We can... Bella, seriously. Okay. So we can actually hear... we can hear someone. So it's going to be the moment of truth if we're going to get away with it or not. But I can... it's up there somewhere. I think they're checking the lambs. I don't know if you can hear the quad or not. I am actually just realised I haven't got my microphone on. 1 second. I will sort that out. Someone's still reading away. What are you reading now? Where the cowards sing.
Crawdads sing.
Crawdads? The hell's a crawdad? Like a lobster or something? But yeah, the sun is officially gone. Have you seen on some of my footage, by the way?
Definitely not gone over there.
Well, it is nearly gone. It's gone behind them trees now. But yeah, my drone nearly got attacked by a bird. That's the first time I've ever had a bird attack on a drone. So that was interesting. I had to quickly do some maneuvers. I didn't get hit, but it was close. But yeah, I can actually hear the quad up there. True as they do like a perimeter check because there's lambs. And the fence line is just up on top of that hill. And you're not going to help that you can smell beef noodles in the middle of the countryside. But hey, never mind. Okay, this is ready now. Are you ready to try these? Actually, you got to leave the lid closed for 3 minutes. Just remembered. Sad days. We're not going to try these noodles ever. The fire's still kind of going. Thank God it's not smoking as much now. I can still hear the quad bike. Right, let's just... a bit of pouring action here for you. Oh shit, got a leak. Bella, don't put your nose in the fire because it might explode. Right, let's just... Jesus Christ, you can't pour very well with this, can you? There you go, dude. Close that for 5... No, is it 3 minutes? So count 3 minutes on your stopwatch. Can you pass my noodles? Of Cuppa. Mama noodles. Can you pass my mama noodles? Got some mama noodles. Some of you are not even in chat. You're going to have to be the guinea pig for trying... Hey, mama. Noodles. So... Remember, I'm not going to litter. If idiots start littering, it annoys me because there's a lot going on in the Lake District right now. Oh God, with littering. I'm going to put it in my pocket. And it's putting campers that come outside to like enjoy the countryside a bad name, and it is really annoying. So I come out to respect it because I was brought up in the countryside. I love the countryside and everything in it. And we have got a bin bag in the tent. Should really be out here, to be honest. So I'm just shoving it in my pocket now. So my pockets are going to smell like beef noodles, which is grand. Smells amazing. I've got lovely smelling pockets. So cups in a noodle is a lamb meal this time. We're not cooking anything like jamba bala bala bala.
And we're not eating with knives.
Yeah, we're not eating with a sharp knife. Well, that's just done it perfectly. Nice. Yeah, were you eating with that lid last time? Yeah. Off the top of that? Oh, the things you...
I was eating with the tomato puree.
With tomato puree? You're eating with the top?
Like the bottom of it.
Oh, yeah. I don't know. Go and have a look at our old video of that. It was actually our first ever camp, and you could tell because didn't we have like a 20 odd Asda bags?
Yeah.
Now,
Look at the horses.
oh, I can't. Oh yeah, there's horses over there. I didn't realise.
They're gonna come over for a.
I'm gonna come over some beef noodles.
They
Ma-
smell, them
I was gonna
smell
say a
like
joke there, but
months
I thought I better not. There
Them
might be
smell like-
horse in here.
Them smell like monsters.
What's that mean? Does it explode in 5 minutes? What does that mean? Oh no, it came up with like weird red writing, like it was going to explode in 5 minutes. Kind of Mission Impossible style. Oh, you probably see what I mean? It's like really white, weird. Is that like lard?
Them smell like monster munch. Like
They do
13
smell nice,
tons.
these, to be honest. I find pot noodles absolute minging now. I think all our food, like in the Western countries, has all gone to crap. No, you maybe better stir that and then put the lid back on. That's yours there, in the dirt. Let's have a look in there quickly before I close the lid. Looks good, that, actually.
Ow. Ow.
The farmer, I can't hear the quad bike
Ow.
anymore. I can't wait to try these, they are. Damn! I did actually buy 4 of these. Because I thought it might be pigs later and eat the other one in the middle of the night.
We could.
Wake up at 3 o'clock in the morning and devour some beef noodles. We'll go and have a look at these horses quickly.
Oh, they're walking away now.
Yeah. Well, that's
Oh,
crap.
they're the horses from up there, aren't they?
There could
One's
be.
got a halter on.
I didn't think. Oh God, I nearly fell over.
Is this safe to eat?
3 minutes bound to be up now. Just stir it. It should be okay. There's horses over there. Oh my God, there's loads of horses. I don't think you can see very well on this camera, but they are just over there. I think they're different horses.
Yeah, I realise that.
Someone looks like they have actually. Looks like there's broken up coal or something there, but there we go. All right, we need to have a. Don't taste it yet. We need a review. Bella, get your nostrils out my beef noodles. Right, okay. What do they taste like? God, it looks like that weird train man. Do you know why he has a massive nose when he was doing the trains? Do they taste good? Are they nice or are they minging?
Yeah.
Well, that's a crap review. Imagine just going in the restaurant and just putting, yeah, yeah, it's all right. Why does every time we come to have a meal, I need a trump? The last time I sat down, I'm just excited for some beef noodles, what can I say? Right, mine's nearly done. Bella, keep off my noodles. Oh, where did my, oh, it's there. Need to put the fire back on. Well, get it going again. I was scared in case it flamed up because of the getting caught. Bum, bum, bum. Oop. So we actually did get 2 more beef noodles. I think they were only like 60 odd p on Amazon. Get your feet off them, they're gonna smell a BR. But there we go. I think the Thai. Instant style noodles, oriental. Well, that just doesn't really explain much, does it? I'm sure they were Thai. I'm sure on the thing they were Thai. That's got to be 3 minutes, right? Right, let's give the verdict. What would you rate them out of 10?
10.
10? Quite seriously, pleased. Right, let's see what happens. Dog is desperate for some beef. Style all around. Whoa, nose. It was just just a giant nose. Right, let's see.
I can't see.
Why? Oh, you steamed up your glasses.
Yeah.
Why is the bird seed in this? What's that?
I don't know.
Like fingernails. Oh, that's chicken. Oh, is that beef? Why does it taste like chicken when it's meant to be beef? Sus. That was a bit blunt, wasn't it? Yeah, well. Yeah, I don't know. I got a yearn. Not bad. Really, that's a 10.
I'm just hungry.
Well, that doesn't help. It is soya sauce, I think. Or is it because it's oriental? But they are not bad. Are they better in a pot noodle?
No.
No. I just said pot noodles are awful before, so I've got to rate this like 2. Pot noodles are not terrible.
I love pot noodles.
They're all right. They just don't taste as good as they used to, and they're definitely not as big as they used to. A pot noodle used to fill me up. That's because I'm fat now. I would probably rate these a 4. You think?
I don't know, I'm just really hungry.
But we had like a packet meal last time. I can't remember. What did you have? Mac and cheese? What did I have again? Carbonara or something? And they were like proper. Oh, hold on. They were like proper camping meals, Wayfarer ones or something. And they were really cheap when we first bought them, but now they're nearly like £7.
I love mac and cheese.
Yeah. I can't remember. Did I have bolognese? I had some of it.
I'd like carbonara, I think.
But they were nice. Don't get me wrong, they were nice. I would probably rate them like an 8. No, I think Mama cut beef flavoured noodles with a deranged cow on the side of it. I think a 4. 4 or a 5. They're not terrible, but they ain't great. Probably a 4.5. I'll probably rate this a 4.5 there. That's my final verdict. 4.5 for Mama Noodles. Imagine if someone's actually called in Thailand Mama Noodles. Just go to Mama Noodles for some beef noodles. But it's probably always that thing, is it like the Thai noodles but made in Bristol? Where they're actually made? Let's have a look. This is such an interesting conversation at dinner time. Oh, it is Thailand. Bloody hell, what does that say? Babi Anamami. Babi Summit. But yeah, Thailand. I do like Thai food though. Like proper Thai food. Good stuff. It's definitely getting cooler now though. The sun is still kinda there, but not as strong as you could see it in the background on the hill as a Tesco van goes past. But yeah, the main road's just up there too, so the smoke is kind of staying low. It's like camp smoke. Look at the smoke. It's like stealth smoke, staying low to the ground so we don't get seen. Are you sure it's a 10?
I'm just hungry.
Well, that's a crap read. We can't just go in a restaurant. What do you rate this? I'm hungry. Just hungry. Latest discovery of Mama Noodles. There's actually, when you think about it, probably way more noodles in this than a pot noodle. They are smaller, don't get me wrong. But I feel like with a pot noodle, you just like shove it in your mouth and it's gone, and there's like a sweet corn left in the bottom. If you have chicken and sweet corn. What's everyone's favourite pot of noodles? What's your favourite pot of noodle?
Chicken one.
Chicken and mushroom is a boss. I do like beef and tomato though. Oh, Bombay Bad Boy. There's a story with that. When it first came out, Bombay Bad Boy, like the really, really spicy pot noodle, me and my friend had one each, and we thought, yeah, it's not going to be that spicy. So we put the whole spice in it. Oh my God, worst mistake of my life. It was a bad boy. It burnt my mouth. Just pointless information there at the dinner table. Or dinner stones. Last update on Mama Noodles. The sauce is actually amazing, isn't it? Like the sauce I might lift it up to a 5 now, just for the sauce. Mama Noodles coming out with a storm. She doesn't disappoint, does Mama Noodles? We're not sponsored, by the way. It's starting to get a bit cooler now, so I'm going to start putting some logs on the fire. We're just going to chill out here for a bit, have a bit of us time. And we might go for a walk later on in summer's soggy wellies. Got the drone on charge. I've got a battery pack in the drone. The drone pack down there is charging up. And yes, it's great because when we were last out here, we didn't have a camera like this. We had like my normal camera that I take photos with, like proper camera. and the video on it isn't very good. It's good when it's stood still on the floor, but when you're moving it around like this, it's pretty bad. This camera should be pretty good. It's meant to be decent and low light. I don't know what it's going to be like when it's totally dark. It'll probably struggle then, but it's so nice. It's so peaceful. Let's have a look in the forest up here one more time. I actually have to be careful because I am running out of memory on this because I have done so much. I want to try and make this video a good one for you guys. We're going to have a night walk too. Let's just have a look. The horses were on the hill before. Yeah, the sun is gone now, basically behind the hill. We're seeing it. Well, the horses have actually gone too. The horses didn't like mama noodles. Yeah, the horses are on top of that hill, but they've totally gone. But now the darkness is setting in. The moon is up there. And let's go and back to the camp. I'll catch you guys when we're on a night walk. You know, we'll just have a little update. It's, as you could tell, it's gone really dark now. Obviously it's, I don't know what the time is, I think it's like 9:10. Yeah, roughly 30 minutes past, but 9:10. I'm impressed with this Action 6, by the way. DJI knocked it out the park again. This light it's doing right now is absolutely spectacular. As you can hear, there's a duck having a fit down there somewhere. So you can see the fire. Just put the fire in view. There we go. The light off this camera is pretty amazing. It is pretty dark now. Oh, saved. just saved the camera lens getting smashed to shit. Alright, okay. You want to try that again? Not very professional on this channel. Yeah, I'm pretty impressed with DJI. It's on a tripod, but doesn't belong to it, to be honest. So yeah, we're just going to spend a little time by the fire, and then soon we'll go for a walk in the night with our pot noodles. Not pot noodles, but mama noodles.
Same thing.
Well, maybe that's Thailand's version of pot noodles. But yeah, I've just ordered some more Pepsi on Amazon. That's a good job, I got signal out here. Anyway, we're going to enjoy this beautiful night for a little bit longer.
Mama noodles.
What the? I wouldn't say it's midnight, it's coming up to 11. But before it gets really, really cold. Look how it actually does look frosty, the floor. It doesn't really look it on this camera, but the dew is freezing over a little bit. It is cold. Campfire is still, it's very, very low back there. Can't really see anything because summer's in the way. Summer's wearing shorts. There's something like a star over there that's really orange. Is that Mars?
Star.
Yeah, it looked orange. I don't know if this camera's gonna see if I do that. Don't know if this is gonna pick it up. There's trees in the way now. There's a star or something up there. It looks orange. But yeah, we're having a bit of a midnight. Well, I wouldn't say midnight. Don't know how this is going to look, to be quite frankly fair. Just this torch is nearly dying and I thought I charged it too. Look guys, a little baby mouse. Oh my god, that is cute.
Oh.
Look at that little dude. That is that maybe like, it's either a baby or I'll let him be. It ran over Summer's foot. I hope he's not over around here. We're on the way back. We're seeing a little mouse. Well, Bella's comfortable in the tent. She's probably the only one. What have you got to say for this situation? Where the hell are you at on this camera? You're blending in with the tent. Oh, there you are. Alright, we're going to get some shut-eye now. Well, actually, we're going to chill out eating some crisps. Chill out for a bit. And, don't think he really could see me very well, to be honest, in here. I don't know why. But yes, we're going to chill out for a bit. Bella's turned around about a quadruple times.
And I'm watching Gravity Falls.
Who? Oh, I'm not sure of that. And
why not?
Copyright. But just chilling out, keeping Summer's feet warm. God, her breath stinks of bumholes. But anyway, this is us signing out until morning. And I don't know where Summer is. Oh, there she is. Let's hopefully Mum and Noodles don't stink the tent out overnight. We've got some snacks, got some walkers. We ate the biscuits earlier, so we ain't got biscuits. Yeah. Good night from Bella. Good night from Summer. Good night for my nostrils. I'll catch you in the morning, guys. She came to us. That is right above us. As long as it doesn't land on the tent, because I put a hole in it. I was trying to call from it. Oh, sorry. Has it gone? I think I made it angry. Morning campus. Oh god, that was rough. It was actually quite cold last night. It's weird because it was quite cold but it's warm. There's Summer there while Summer appears. And while Bella down there somewhere. There she is. Yeah, we slept in this tent. It's a cold weather but never got cold, but last night it was really cold. It still is, to be honest. I don't know what the temperature is. But it wasn't below 0. But it's cold. But it is, what's the time?
6:25.
6:25, so it is quite late on. We're going to start packing up now. I think we're just going to probably end it here, to be honest. It's been an experience. It's been fun. We've seen little baby mice and all sorts, so it's been a great time. So we're going to pack up, get home, get some coffee and a bacon sandwich. And we'll catch you. Not eating a bacon sandwich. Because that's ours. That's our bacon sandwich. But, yeah, from Bella, down there somewhere in the tent. And it's been great. I had a great time. Hope you enjoyed it. And I'll catch you on another set and adventure. Bye.
Bye.
That was very serious. The camera's just deflated. It's like, whoa. Goodbye. Well, I just come up on the top here to see that. You can't really tell, but the ground is very, very lightly crispy. That has been quite, I would say, hard frost. I think most of it's melted. The sun is peering over the hill there. Wow, it's cold. Yeah, it was a hard frost. we're just packing up now. Just thought I'd fetch you back for this for a bit. Bella's having a waz. But yeah, that was a very cold morning. Not in my sleeping bag coats, but that was struggling a bit. But yeah, we got packed up. We've just got to get the tent up, all put away, and we'll be going. Doodle pips. It's morning. That was perfect, but you messed up. You have to do it again before we run out of memory. Right, go for it. Just go, mum and noodles. Come on, quick. Oh no, put your tie. Oh, quick, we're going to run out of memory on this camera. Right, go for it.